Welcome back to Trivia Learner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Can you ace this quiz? Let's go!
What is the basic unit of life? Cell. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondrion. What molecule carries genetic information? DNA. What process do plants use to make food? Photosynthesis. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? Oxygen. What blood cells fight infections? White blood cells. What organ filters blood in the human body? Kidney. Which blood type is the universal donor? O dash. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. What part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas. What pigment gives plants their green color? Chlorophyll. What type of blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Arteries. Which part of the plant absorbs water and minerals? Roots. What is the process of cell division in body cells called? Mitosis. Which vitamin is mainly obtained from sunlight? Vitamin D. What is the human body's main source of energy? Carbohydrates. What organ helps in detoxifying harmful substances? Liver. What part of the cell controls its activities? Nucleus. Which human organ is responsible for pumping blood? Heart. Which is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. Which blood cells carry oxygen? Red blood cells. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering? Iris. Which part of the digestive system absorbs most nutrients? Small intestine. What organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Ribosome. Which part of the cell provides structural support? Cytoskeleton. Which blood type is the universal recipient? A B+. What type of macromolecule are enzymes? Proteins. What is the main function of red bone marrow? Produce blood cells. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. What organ allows humans to breathe? Lung. What part of the plant transports water? Xylem. What is the scientific name of humans? Homo sapiens. Which organ in the body stores bile? Gallbladder. Which gas do humans exhale during respiration? Carbon dioxide. What part of the ear helps maintain balance? Semicircular canals. Which muscle is the strongest in the human body, by weight? Jaw, masseter. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? Vitamin K. What type of reproduction produces genetically identical offspring? Asexual reproduction.
Before we wrap up, our channel's open for brand collaborations. Interested? Email us.
Which blood vessels connect arteries and veins? capillaries?